Thank you all for coming back. Thank you all for coming back for day 2 of this meeting. I think yesterday we had some great discussion, and hopefully we can continue that with some breakouts today. Just to set the stage a little bit, so first we have a keynote from David Strauss and then Ksenia Blunova to talk about FDA regulatory perspective on drug development tools and evidentiary considerations. And then we're going to dive right into these breakout sessions. And I'll have a bit more for the breakout session structure and planning a little bit later. I received an email from Samantha this morning or yesterday asking which breakout you'd like to attend. If you could fill out that questionnaire for us just so we can gauge participation and set the rooms up, that would be great. But with that, I'll introduce David Strauss, who is the acting chief scientist of the FDA and has been instrumental in getting this workshop going. Last year, he helped organize and coordinate, and now that he's in this larger role as the acting chief scientist, we're eager to hear his thoughts on drug development tools. So, David,